Want to unlike all your reels on Instagram at once? You can easily remove your likes from multiple videos with just a few simple steps. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to unlike all reels on Instagram in one go. Make sure to watch until the end, and don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more helpful tips. Unlike all reels on Instagram at once means you can remove your likes from several videos simultaneously. Over time, you may have liked many reels and now want to tidy up your like content for privacy reasons. To get started, open the Instagram app on your mobile device. Once you're on your feed, go to your profile by tapping your profile picture in the bottom right corner. Next, click the menu icon with 3 horizontal lines in the top right corner. From the menu that appears, scroll down and tap on your activity. Now, scroll down to the Interactions section and select Likes. Here, you'll see a list of all the posts you've liked, including Reels. To filter and view only the Reels, tap on the All Content Type filter at the top. A menu will pop up. Select Reels from the options. Now you'll see only the Reels you've liked. To unlike them, you can either long press on a specific video or tap Select in the top right corner. Then, tap on each reel you want to unlike. Selected reels will show a check mark. Once you've chosen all the reels, tap the Unlike button at the bottom of the screen. A confirmation pop-up will appear. Just tap Unlike to finish. And that's it. By following these simple steps, you'll remove your likes from all the selected reels at once. If you found this video helpful, please like it and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials and tips. And don't forget to leave a comment below.